Hi everyone, welcome back to Rhythm of Maths and welcome to 9th standard maths class. Here we are learning from first chapter. In the previous video, we have finished first two questions from first activity. Now let's move on to next question. Here is your question. Question number 3. Draw a circle and a triangle with one vertex at the center of the circle and the other two on the circle. Draw another triangle of the same area with all three vertices on the circle. So we know we are dealing with equal area triangles. So in this question, first of all we have to draw a circle. Measurement is not given, you can use any radius. Okay, so first of all draw a circle, then draw a triangle. Condition is out of the three vertices, one vertex must be at the center of the circle. One vertex at the center of the circle. And the other two vertices are on the circle. That is the condition. After that, we have to draw another triangle of same area as that of this triangle. Okay, that is the question. Now, let's do. So here, in order to draw the given figure, first of all we need a circle. That is the question. Draw a circle. Here measurement is not given. That means you can take any radius. Okay. So first of all, take any radius. Then draw a circle like this. Draw a circle first. After that we have to draw a triangle. In that triangle, there will be three vertices. You know, three vertices will be there in a triangle. Out of that three vertices, one vertex must be on the center of the circle. So, first of all, mark the center point. Okay, this point will be the first vertex. And second condition is the other two vertices must be on the circle. On the circle means it can be anywhere here. Okay, we need triangle. Okay, so here I took these 2 points. Okay, so on the circle, 2 points, then one vertex at the center point. After that, we have to join these three vertices. Then only we will get a triangle. So first of all, join. Okay, I join these three vertices using scale and pencil. Just join these three vertices. This is the triangle given in the question. First triangle. You can see one vertex at the center point. Two vertices are on the circle. Now, after drawing this, we have to draw another triangle with the same area of this triangle. This triangle's area and the new one's area must be same. We know equal area means what are the two conditions? Base must be same. That means the same length. We can mark this as A and B. Center as O. So here for the new triangle also the base must be the same AB. Okay, this AB must be the base. And what is the second condition? Yes, upper vertex must be on a line parallel to the base and passing through here. Okay, parallel to the base. That means we need a line through this point. Upper vertex is here. So through this point we need a line parallel to AB. You know the method using set square and scale. So draw a line parallel to AB and passing through O first. So here this is a parallel line parallel to AB. Here I am not showing the method again. So we already discussed about the parallel line. Okay, you know the method how to draw parallel line. Okay, so this is a parallel line. Now for the new triangle, the base is same. Okay, AB is the same base and you can take any point from here to here. Any point you can choose as the third point. If you are taking this point, you can join this point to B and to A. You will get one triangle. That triangle's area will be same as that of this triangle. If you are taking point here, then also what will happen? We can join this point to B and to A. Then also we will get a triangle with the same area. Okay. But here in this question, one more condition is given. That is, all the three vertices must be on the circle. On the circle points we have to choose. So here A and B are already on the circle. Okay. So we need the third vertex must be on the circle. That means we have to choose a point in that line, in that parallel line which touch the circle. That means these 2 points you have to choose. So This is the required triangle. Here C point touch the circle. That point is already on the parallel line. So triangle ACB. You have to join C to A and C to B. After joining the points, you will get triangle ACB. That triangle will have same area as that of triangle AOB, and condition also satisfied. What was the condition? All the three vertices on the circle. A is on the circle, B is on the circle, and C also on the circle. Next question is question number 4. Question is, how many different triangles can you draw with the two sides 8 and 6 centimeters and area 12 square centimeters? What if the area is to be 24 square centimeter? Okay, so here how many different triangles? Different triangle means non-congruent. Okay, non-congruent means not equal triangles. And condition is two sides must be 8 and 6 centimeter. Three sides will be there for a triangle. Out of that three sides, two sides must be 8 and 6 centimeter. And the area must be 12 centimeter square. So here, in order to get area as 12 centimeter square, what is the equation? Area of triangle, that is half BH. Half BH is the equation. That half BH must be equal to what? 12 centimeter square. So half BH equal to 12 centimeter square means B into H will be what? BH, only base and height. We can take this divided by 2 to next side. That means B into H equal to 24 will be the answer. Okay, B into H must be 24. Now, in order to get 24, two sides we have 8 and 6 centimeters. So we can take this 8 as base. Then equation becomes 8 into H equal to 24 because base is 8. Now height we need to find. If base is 8, in order to get the answer as 24, what will be the height? That means by multiplying with which number we will get the answer as 24. That means 8 into what is 24. Here 8 into 3 is 24. 8 3s are 24. That means height we can take as 3. So for the triangle, base must be 8 centimeter and height must be 3 centimeter. So this line AB is 8 centimeter and we want height as 3 centimeter. So this is the height 3 centimeter. This is not part of the triangle. I just draw a line 3 centimeter because the height must be 3 centimeter. Now we have to draw a triangle with one side as 8 centimeter. Okay, the next side must be 6 centimeter. Okay, the 6 centimeter must be the next side. So to draw that, we need the upper vertex. Where will be the upper vertex? That we need to find. Okay, so height 3 centimeter means we need a parallel line. If a parallel line is here, we can mark anywhere on that point. Okay, from anywhere on that point, the distance between that point and to the base will be what? 3 centimeter. Okay, draw a line parallel to AB and passing through this point. Okay, passing through this point, draw a parallel line first. This is the line parallel to AB. Okay, using set square and scale, you have to draw this line. Now the distance between this line and this line is 3 centimeter. Whatever be the point, the distance between this line and the base line will be 3 centimeter. Next we need what? Next side is what? 6 centimeter is the next side. One side 8 centimeter and next side is 6 centimeter. This is a question we have to draw. So already 8 centimeter is here. Next let's take 6 centimeter. So using compass and scale, measure 6 centimeter. After measuring 6 centimeter in the compass, you can take A point or B point. From A point or from B point, you can mark the arc. So I am using B point. Now from the B point, draw an arc of 6 centimeter like this. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. I took 6 centimeter in the compass. Now draw an arc here. Okay, after that you will get a point here. This is a point of 6 centimeter. From here it will be 6 centimeter. Now if we are joining this point to B and to A, we will get a triangle. For that triangle, area will be what? 12 centimeter, because from this point to the base side distance is what? 3 centimeter, and the line will be, this line will be 6 centimeter. So this is the condition. Here we got a triangle like this. We can mark this point as C. So this triangle ABC is the triangle which satisfies the given condition. One side 8 centimeter, next side 6 centimeter, and height as 3 centimeter. Height 3 centimeter, that's why area is what, 12 centimeter square. Now question is, how many non-congruent triangle we can draw using this condition. The condition is one side must be 8 centimeter, next side must be 6 centimeter, and area must be 12 centimeter square. So first triangle is this one. Now what will be the next option? Here we choose B point and we draw 6 centimeter arc to left side. Okay, the same 6 centimeter we can draw to right side also, isn't it? We can draw because the line, parallel line is extending. Okay, there is no limitation. Okay, so we can draw 6 centimeter arc to the right side also like this. Okay, so mark the pinpoint at B point and draw an arc like this. Okay, and just extend this point, then you will get a point here. So this is the point of 6 centimeter towards the right side. Okay, so we can take this point as D. Now when we join this D point to B and D point to A, we will get another triangle. But for that triangle also, area will be what? Same area, because we are considering 8 centimeter as base, and the second side will be what? This side will be 6 centimeter. Okay, and height will be what? Same 3 centimeter. So area will be 12 centimeter square. So these are the two possible. This is the second triangle which satisfies the given condition. Check the condition. AB is what? 8 centimeter, and in order to draw this arc we measure 6 centimeter in the compass. Okay, so BD will be 6 centimeter. Height is the same as 3 centimeter because upper vertex the upper vertex is on the line parallel to the base. Okay, so triangle ABD is the next triangle which satisfies the given condition. Is there any other way to get the triangle with the 8 centimeter one side, 6 centimeter the next side, and area as 12 centimeter square? No, only these two are the possible non-congruent triangles with this specified conditions. Okay. Our next question is question number 6. Prove that the two triangles shown below have the same area. Here you have two triangles. For the first triangle, base is 4 centimeter and the second side is 3 centimeter. Angle between them is 50 degree. Now for the second triangle also, base is same 4 centimeter and the next side also 3 centimeter. But angle between them is 130 degree. You have to prove these two triangles will have same area. We know equation is half BH. Here you can see that for both the two triangles, base is the same, that is 4 centimeter is the base. Now B into H we need height. If height is the same, what we can say? These two triangles will have same area because half BH is the equation. Already base is same means we have to prove that height will also be same. Then we can say that these two triangles will have same area. For that, consider the first triangle. Triangle with a 4 centimeter base, 3 centimeter next side, and one angle 50 degree. Name is ABC. ABC is the first triangle. Now second triangle is PQR. Angle between 4 and 3 centimeter. Here it is 130 degree. Now check the second triangle. Here 130 degree is here. Now extend this PQ side towards left. Okay, just extend the side like this. Okay, now after extend this PQ 4 centimeter line towards left, we got an angle here. Okay, you can see one angle here. What will be that angle? Here it is 130 degree. Then what will be the remaining angle? You have learned this in 8th standard, not in 7th standard. That is linear pair. So if one angle is 130 degree, the next one will be 180 minus 130 degree. 180 minus 130 because linear pair is what? 180 degree. Sum of angle is 180 degree. So this is 130 means 180 minus 130 will be what? That is 50 degree. So this angle will be 50 degree. Okay, linear pair. Now check this side. Here this portion is 3 centimeter. Okay, now if I am measuring 4 centimeter here in this extended line, if we are taking first 4 centimeter line and after that we join these two sides, what we will get? A triangle same as that of ABC. We'll show you like this. Okay, in that extended line I measure same 4 centimeter. Okay, now from the end of that 4 centimeter join to the upper vertex. So triangle NPR, listen carefully, triangle NPR. NPR's measurement is base 4 centimeter. Next side is 3 centimeter. Angle between them is 50 degree. Can you see any similarity between these two angles? Here also base is 4 centimeter, one side is 3 centimeter. Angle between these two sides is 50 degree. That means this triangle is same as this triangle. Okay, these two triangles are same. So we can say that height of these two triangles will be same. Height of these two triangles will be same. Height means what? Height means length between upper vertex and base, that is the height. So using scale, when we measure here, both these two triangles will have same upper vertex, that is R. R is the same upper vertex. Now when we find the height of these two triangles, that is from the upper vertex R, if we measure this height, we can see that these two triangles will have same height. That means what we can say about these two triangles? These two triangles will have same area. Okay, these two triangles will have same area because for both the triangles base is same 4 centimeter and the upper vertex is what? Same upper vertex. Same upper vertex means the distance between upper vertex and the base is same. Height is same. Because of base and height are same, we can say that these two triangles will have same area. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.